Okay, Unit 6 Test Study Guide, question number 20. This is starting the section marked as percent change. And one thing, again, something you need to understand. In our percent proportion, we always set it up as percent over 100, part over whole. When we're talking about percent change, there are going to be two ways we can talk about this part and whole. We can talk about it as the change over the original amount or the old amount, but we can also think of it as, we can also set it up as the new amount being our part and having it be over our original amount, okay? Because that would, both ways would be a way of handling the change. This first way works best on questions 20 and 21. So for question 20, last year a school had 1,200 students. This year they have 10,000 or 1,000. Find the percent decrease. We're looking for the percent decrease. How much did it go down as a percent? Change over original. To do it this way, we need to first find the change. Well, they had 1,200 students. They now have 1,000 students. Subtract that and you find out their population changed. It decreased. Again, we're looking for a percent decreased. It decreased by 200. So that was that was the change. So if we're doing this as change over the original amount, it is, we're going to find the percent, so it's x over 100. The change is 200. The original amount was that they started at 1,200 and now they're at 1,000, so that's the new amount. It changed by decreasing by 200. Yes, this is the original amount, so cross multiply. You get 1,200x equals 2 followed by 4 zeros, 2 there, 2 there, that's a total of 4. Divide by 1,200, 1,200 if you'd prefer. You get x equals, I'm just going to run that through the calculator then. And it is 2 followed by 4 zeros and divided by 1,200. And I come up with 16.6 repeating. That last 7 is just that the calculator is smart enough to round off. It looked to the right and said there's another 6, so it called that last one a 7. It is 0.6 repeating, so my answer is 16.6 repeating. And again, we were looking for the percent. That is the percent decrease. Okay, 16 and 0.6% decrease. Solving it the other way, just for the heck of it, you do the new amount over the original. Again, we're looking for the percent, so it's x over 100 equals, and the new amount is 1,000. The original amount or old amount was 1,200. Again, this is the new, this is the old. Over here, this is going to give us the new percent as if the old percent was 100. So cross multiply, you get 1,200x equals 1 followed by 5 zeros and divide by 1,200. And you get x equals, and this is why I don't like this method as well. When I do this, I come up with 1 followed by 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, divided by 1,200, and I get 83.3 repeating. Okay? Understand, this is the new percent. And you want to know how much it changed. If I put it in here, it would be 83.3 above the 100. The question is, how much did it change when it went from 100 to 83.3? So you need to subtract. You need to do 100 minus 83.3 repeating. When you put it into your calculator, put in a whole bunch of threes. So if you do 100 minus 83.33333, you get, there it is, our 16.6 repeating. The same answer we got the other way. And that is our answer. It is a 16.6% decrease. All right. I will go ahead and stop there.